So, in this class, we will start our chapter number 5 on the page number 40. Okay. So, first we will see that what does keyboard do? As one student show that keyboard is used for game. Yes, you can play game with the keyboard, but you can do many other things also. Okay, what those things are? Okay, the keyboard, the name of the chapter is Whiz at the keyboard. Whiz at the keyboard. It's a chapter number 5. It's a chapter number 5. The keyboard is used to enter letters and numbers. So you see many buttons, you see many keys on the keyboard. As you know, the name of the device is KEY and BOARD. So what does key means? It means that it has so many keys. It means that it has so many keys. If we see the picture, if we see the picture of the keyboard, it would be look like this on the page number 41. Right now, we are at the page 40, but we are just viewing the keyboard. If you see this thing, this device, this thing or this device is placed in front of the keyboard, in front of the monitor, and we use it for typing letters and numbers. So if you see, there are so many keys. If anyone say that there are only two keys on the keyboard, it's false. If someone say there are 10 keys on the keyboard, it's false. If you see, there are so many keys. If you see, so many keys are there. One, two, three, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, and there are so many. So if you see, 16 keys are just in on the top, and there are so many keys. That's why the name of this device is board. This is a board on which many keys are there. Okay, so everybody see this picture? Say yes or no.
Yes.
Okay, that's
Yes,
great.
sir.
So
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
now,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
now the keyboard is used to enter letters and numbers. So, what are letters? What are letters? Can anyone tell me what are letters?
Alphabet.
Alphabet. That's good, Ahmad Mohammed. Very nice.
Alphabet.
Alphabet, Hamad
Alphabet.
Khalaf, Abdul Rahman. That's nice. That's good.
Bat. Alphabet.
Very good, Mohammed
Alphabet.
Asad. That's good. Okay.
Alphabet.
So, very nice, Hamza Al Sayyed. It's a alphabet. You all are right. It's a
Alphabet.
alphabet. Yes, Gamal, you are also right. So, letters are the alphabets. So, let me write the alphabet for you. Let's suppose it's A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. So these are the alphabets. So the alphabets are there. These alphabets are the letters. With the help of these alphabets, we make our name, we write our name, we write our father name, our mother name, the spellings we make. So these are the letters. Okay. So what are the numbers? What are the numbers? Can anyone tell me what are the numbers?
One. They are what? Two, three, four, five, six, seven, eight, nine, 10.
Okay, that's
There
great.
are one,
That's
two,
great.
three,
That's
four.
great, Adam Over. That's great. Okay. So numbers are starting from 0 to 9. Let me show you. Let me show you. Just a second. Okay. So it's 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. Now, numbers are from 0 to 9. For example, if we have to make 10, so we will take 0 from here and 1 from here. So it become 1 and 0 become 10. If we want to make 11, we will write 1 and 1. So these are numbers. If you notice one thing, if you notice one thing on the page number 41, the keyboard is showing the alphabets, letters, or and the numbers. See, numbers are there: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 0. So numbers are given there. Numbers are given there. And for the letters, letters are there. These letters are given. These letters are given. Let me draw the line on the letters. So these are the letters given on the keyboard. These are the alphabets or the letters. So this is a letter. This is a letter in which all the A, B, C, D up to Z are included. Okay. And where are the numbers? The numbers are available on two sides, but we will see the first one. The numbers are there. Let me change the color of my pen. Okay. So the numbers are available there. These are the numbers. The numbers are also available on the right side. But right now we are just seeing the 1 point, and these are the numbers. So keyboard is used to type what? Keyboard is used to type letters and numbers. So why does we use keyboard? Keyboard is used to type letters and numbers. Okay, can anyone tell why we use keyboard? Why we
Type.
use keyboard?
To type.
To type. That's good. To type. To
To
write
To
anything
type.
in the computer. To
die.
type anything.
To die.
That's great. Very good. Very good. That's nice. Okay. So let me again repeat the spelling of keyboard. It's Keyboard. It's keyboard. Keyboard. It's a keyboard. Keyboard is used to type. Okay, you can type with keyboard in computer. Okay, now uh, let me erase the lines and then we will go back again to our page. So on the page number 40, we have the second line. The first line is saying the keyboard is used to enter letters and numbers. So on the second line, we press the keys on the keyboard when we want to enter something into the computer. Okay, so we use keyboard for typing or writing something into the computer. So we press the keys, the keyboard, the board which has keys, and we when we press the keys, why we are pressing keys? To enter, to type, or to write something into the computer. So why we use or press keys on keyboard? To enter something into the computer. Okay, so keyboard is used to type. keyboard is used to type. Okay, now keyboard is used to enter alphabets. Those are letters and numbers. So keyboard used to type numbers and letters. Why we use keyboard? We use keyboard to enter something into the computer. So why we use keyboard? Why we use keyboard? Yes, anyone? Let me see. Any one of you can answer why we use keyboard?
Type. For typing.
For typing, for type,
For typing.
for typing, for writing, for
Typing.
type. That's good. So we use
Typing.
keyboard to type. We use keyboard to type or typing. Or we can say we can use it for writing anything in the computer. We use keyboard to type. Okay. So we see two things. We see two things. The two things are the keyboard is used to enter letters and numbers. First thing is this. The second thing is why we use keyboard to enter or to type something into the computer. To enter or to type something into the computer. Okay. So the keyboard has letter and number keys. The keyboard has letter and number keys. As I show you the picture, as I show you the picture of letters and numbers on the page number 41. Let me once again move to the page number 41 and show you the picture that is showing the letters and the numbers. If you see, the letters are available there. The numbers are also available there at the top on the alphabets or the letters. So keyboard is used to type. Keyboard is used to type. It has many keys. It has many keys. If I ask you that keyboard has only one key, or if I ask you keyboard has only five keys, keyboard has only five keys, is it true or false?
False. False.
False. Why it is
False.
false?
Has many
Why
keys.
it is false? Because it has many keys. See, there are so many keys. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, and so many. So many keys are there. There are more keys. Okay. There are more keys on the keyboard. Ahmad Mohammed. Yes, Ahmad Mohammed.
We can do and we can do slideshow on the computer and play games
He asks,
Okay.
we can use the keyboard to make slideshow.
and
Yes,
play games.
there are two things. For typing, we use keyboard. For with the help of mouse, we can create slideshow. The clicks we can done with the mouse. But for typing, we use keyboard. There are some shortcuts for making slideshow with the help of keyboard. But these shortcuts are for the students, those who are in the uh, bigger classes, like 5, 6, 7 classes, because these shortcuts are difficult to remember.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Sir, we can play games on the keyboard.
Yes, we can play game with the help of keyboard. You are right. This is your question, Ahmed? Or you are saying, okay,
Yes.
Okay.
My question is done.
Okay. Okay. That's good.
Thank you, sir.
Okay. So now let me show you one thing. Let me show you one thing on the other screen. Let me switch it for you so that you will see. Okay. So, did you guys see my screen? Let me check. Okay. Everybody see my screen?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes,
That's good.
sir.
That's good. Okay. Okay. So, so I am just telling you this thing for your information. So we see two things. We see two things. What those two things are? Keyboard is used to type. It has numbers and it has letters. So if you see, this is a keyboard. Where is keyboard? This one. This one is a keyboard. It has many buttons, and buttons are called keys because the name of this one is a keyboard, a board with a keys. We use these keys to type, to typing, to type or to write something on the computer. Okay, so as I told you, there are many keys. How many keys are there on the keyboard? How many keys are there on the keyboard? If you guys see, can anyone tell?
104.
Good. Excellent.
One,
104.
That's
one
good.
hundred
So,
four.
so now if I say there are 20 keys on keyboard, it is true or false? There are 20 keys on keyboard. It is true or false?
Four.
It's false.
Four.
False. Yes, many
Four.
keys. And those many keys are 104. Okay. So there are different keys. What different keys are? See, alphabets. The letters Q, W, E, R, T, Y, N, B, C. Every character is there. Every alphabet is there. And there is one more type of keys. It's a number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we have one type of keys letter, and then we have another type of keys are numbers. So we use keyboard to type something. We use keyboard to type something. And we see keyboard has letters and keyboard has numbers. Keyboard has letters and keyboard has number keys. Everybody understand this thing?
Yes.
Okay, that's
Yes.
great. That's great.
Yes.
That's great. Very good. That's great.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir. Yes.
So now we play game. We play game on keyboard. Okay. But what keys we use to play game? What keys we use to play game? So if you see here, there are some arrows. The left arrow, the right arrow, the down arrow, the up arrow. All these arrows are used for playing game. Okay. All these arrows are used for playing game on computer. So, keyboard is used to type. Keyboard is used to type. Okay. We we can type alphabet. We can type numbers. So we see these two things. Now we are saying that if you want to play game, these four arrows on the right side helps you to play game. If you see on your keyboard, if you see on your keyboard, it has some arrows, and there are four arrows. It's up, down, right, and left. So there are four arrows there available on the keyboard, which is used to play game. You can play game, you can do many other things with it, but you can also play game with the help of this thing. Okay, so now everybody understand this thing? Say yes or no.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay, okay, that's good. That's good. Okay, that's great. So let me repeat it for you. Keyboard. The spelling of keyboard, it's Keyboard. It's a keyboard. The first thing, the spelling of keyboard is Keyboard. The second thing is why we use keyboard. The answer for this question is why we use keyboard. We use keyboard to typing, to type something, to write something, to type something on the computer. Okay, so this is the second thing. The third thing, keyboard has letters and numbers. Keyboard has letters and numbers. Keyboard has letters and numbers. Numbers are on the top of letters, and letters are available. Okay, everybody understand this thing? Say yes or
Yes.
no.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Yes, sir.
okay,
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir. Yes,
Yes,
okay.
sir.
So the keyboard of, see, keyboard. Everybody knows what keyboard is. We use keyboard in mobile. We use keyboard in tablet. We use keyboard in computer. We use keyboard in laptop. But remember one thing, the keyboard on every device is different. Let me show you one picture. This picture is just for your information. No need to no need to memorize it. This is just for your information that keyboard of laptop, keyboard of normal computer, keyboard of tablet, or keyboard of mobile, all are different with keys, but they will do all same thing. All of them are used for typing. So as I told you, there are four keys. It's up, down, left, and right keys. These are used for playing game. These are used for playing game. So everybody understand this thing? Uh, every one of you understand this thing?
Yes, yes, sir.
Yes,
Okay.
Yes,
sir.
sir.
So what
Yes,
we see?
sir.
What
Yes,
we see?
sir.
Okay. Thank you.
Yes, sir.
So what we see?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Random.
Now, what we see in this, we see the keyboard is used to enter letters and numbers. Why we use keyboard? We use keyboard to type, to enter something, to type something, to write something into the computer. Okay, so we press the keys. Where are the keys? Keys are on the keyboard. Keys are on the keyboard, and when we want to enter something into the computer, we press these keys. When we want to type something into the computer, we press these keys. When we want to write something into the computer, we press these keys. If anyone asks you that how many keys are there, there are 104 keys. If I say you that there are only 20 keys on the keyboard, then it's false. If I told you that there is only 5 keys on the keyboard, it's false. So keyboard has letters and number. Remember one thing, we can do typing just with the keyboard. We cannot type with mouse. We can just type with keyboard. We cannot type with mouse. Typing is done only with keyboard. Everybody understand this thing?
Yes. Yes,
Okay.
Yes,
So that's great.
Yes,
That's
sir.
great. That's great. Okay. So right now the 1 minute is left in the class. Let me tell you one thing. There is one assignment available there. It's very easy. I made this assignment very easy, and you guys are very much intelligent. You guys just check the assignment after the class. After 30 seconds, class will be over. And in this class, we see about the chapter. And one more thing, I uploaded this complete chapter of the computer, chapter 5, in the class light. It's available there. If you don't have book, if anyone doesn't have book, you can just open the chapter from the class light. Everybody understand this thing?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So
Yes, sir.
okay, that's great. So now the time of the period is finished. We will meet in the next class, inshallah. Have a nice day. Have a nice beginning of the second term. Best of luck to all of you.
Bye, sir.
Bye,
Bye,
everyone.
sir.
Bye,
Bye,
everyone.